Welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here, and today's video I'm going to show you the HD list. As we know, HD list, the price is much more expensive compared with regular lists. Vendors are actually imitating the HD list. So today I want to show you the HD list that we sell and the HD list that are some vendors are selling. In front of me there are a few lists, brown lists, and these two are HD lists that some vendors are selling, and this is our HD list. Let's compare firstly the brown list and the HD list, right? So if you look at this brown list, you can easily see, and this one melt with the skin well. The market HD list and our HD also melt with the skin well, but when you try to touch these two lists, or when you see these two lists, there are minor difference between them. First is this list is whiter. Our HD list is a little browner in the color. If you watch this two lists, and you see this list is getting shrink. It's getting shrinked because when they make the wave, when you wash it, and it shrinks. So that is the problem for some of the so-called HD lists in the market. It shrinks. So when you wash it, and it getting smaller and smaller, shrinked. Just not so beautiful as what it is before. This type of list also cannot take high temperature. If you permit, or you want to make different curl, or you want a high temperature, and this list will be not able to take the high temperature. That is the problem for this kind of HD list. And with our real Swiss HD list, it can take great temperature, and also it won't shrink in the sides. So be careful when you purchase the HD list. Make sure that you purchase the right one so that it will give you a better durability and longevity for your closure or frontal or for your wigs. Even though it also melt and soft, but the longevity and the lifespan of this list will be not good. Take a close look at this list. And this type of list is actually a little bit whiter compared with the real Swiss HD. This one is a little browner, and this one shrinks like that. It was 4x4, but now the size getting smaller, and it's not so much good looking now.